If you have a Fire Stick or any Fire TV device, you might not realize that you're not limited to installing apps solely from the Amazon App Store. You can actually install a wide variety of additional apps from other sources using special codes. In this video, I will share my top secret code for a fully loaded Fire Stick. Let's take a look. By using secret codes on your Fire Stick, you can access a variety of free apps for movies, TV channels, sports, utilities, tools, and more. To use these secret codes, you only need one app called Downloader, which you can easily find in the App Store. Let me guide you through the simple steps to download and use Downloader with secret codes. From the home screen, select the Find option, then click on Search. Use your remote to type the word Downloader. It will appear below the on-screen keyboard. Click on Downloader, then click on the orange Downloader app icon. On the next screen, click the button to get or download the app. Once the installation is complete, click Open and, if prompted, click Allow. If you skip this step, you may encounter errors while using secret codes. With the Downloader app open, you can enter specific short codes. Now, these codes act like a shortcut, directing you to alternative app stores where you can install even more incredible applications for your Fire Stick. But before using Downloader to install apps from sources other than the Amazon App Store, you will need to grant the app the necessary permissions to do so. To enable developer options on your Fire TV, start by going to the home screen and selecting the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Next, choose My Fire TV from the menu. From there, select About. With your Fire Stick's name highlighted, press the Select button on your remote 7 times. Now you should see a message at the bottom of the screen that says no need, you are already a developer. After that, press the back button on your remote once. You will see an option for developer options. Select it and on the next screen, choose Install Unknown Apps. Find the Downloader app in the list and switch the permission from off to on. Now, Downloader is ready to be used with secret codes. The top secret code I want to share with you today is 28907. This shortcode provides a direct shortcut to my downloads page, which features hundreds of additional apps for your Fire Stick, offering free entertainment. To use the shortcode, tap on the text box and enter the code 28907 using the on-screen keyboard, then click Go. Wait a few seconds for the downloads page to fully load. Once it has loaded, press the Options button on your remote and then press the Options button again. This will open the Downloader app in full screen mode, making navigation much easier. With hundreds of apps on my downloads page, finding which apps to install is easier by scrolling down a bit to view a list of categories. These categories include movie and TV show apps, live TV, sports, news, and more, allowing you to quickly find exactly what you're looking for. To easily access my downloads page in the future for additional app downloads, you can add it to your favorites. To do this, press the Options button on your remote, then select Add Current Page to Favorites. Then click Save. Now you won't need to remember the shortcut to access my downloads page. Just open the downloader app, tap over to the left and select Favorites. Then tap across to the link to open it. So let's install a new web browser on your Fire Stick as an example of how to install a new app from my downloads page. First, navigate to the browser option from the list of categories. This will direct you to the relevant section. From there, take a look through the available options and select the browser you wish to install. For this example, we will choose TV Bro. After selecting it, you'll be taken to the download page for that app. Here you can find more information about it. Scroll down the page until you see the blue or turquoise coloured download button. Click on the download button to download the installation file to your device. Once the download of this file is complete, you will then be prompted to install the app. Once the app is installed, it's important to click Done instead of opening the app immediately. This will allow you to delete the installation file, which is no longer needed and only takes up space on your Fire Stick. Confirm by selecting Delete and then choosing Delete again. Now you can go to your app screen and open your newly installed app. I hope you discover many useful apps using this top secret code on your Fire Stick. On the individual download pages, you will also find links to more detailed tutorials to learn more about an app, what it does and how to use it. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and help to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers. And I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow.